Refrigerator rescue.
Tired of your drawers sagging, not sealing properly, or struggling under heavy loads? Excessive pulling and tugging can damage drawer mechanisms, leading to poor sealing and reduced efficiency. But don't worry, our experienced technicians are here to help. We specialize in replacing all drawer sizes, including small, large, extra large, oversized, and overdimensioned. For oversized or custom-sized drawers, our approved manufacturer can complete your special order immediately. Why it matters: loose or broken drawers can spoil stored contents, force compressors to work harder, lead to unnecessary wear and tear on your refrigeration units. Don't let faulty drawers cost you time and money. Contact us today for fast, reliable drawer replacement.